Hello, friends. I'm here to demonstrate some network design on our new platform. So let me go ahead and share my screen. So this is our supply chain optimization platform, codename Roundoff or just Roundoff. And I'm going to go ahead and log in here and show you just a few things. All right, so we call within Roundoff, our code name for our network design tool is called LeBron. And so this is version 10 I'm going to launch here. And I'm going to open it up. And then I've got a demo 1 is the scenario that I want to show you. And so what I've done here is I've rebuilt a project that I used in a course that I taught in LogicNet Plus. So I went on site to a client and I gave them a 2-day training course in LogicNet Plus. This was one of the projects that we used in the training. And so I've just recreated it here. And so first of all, one difference is that all the sites are together on one form. So you can see here that we've got customers, DCs, and one plant. And all these are fixed except for the warehouses are potential. And it's a very simple model. So no closing or opening costs yet. And I created a zone that shows customer, warehouse, and plant as the categories for the sites. We're just making one product, a widget. It weighs 100 pounds. The main thing that's going to matter here is the weight, just one time period. So this is the whole deal. And then set up one line within the plant location, Springfield line. And again, very simple, no cost. For demand, the 10 different customers that I have listed here have demand of 1,000 units. And so the min and max are the same. And for production, we have a maximum supply of 10,000, no production costs in this model at this point. Here I've set up 2 carriers. One of them is a truckload carrier that is responsible for plant to warehouse shipments, and it's got a 44,000 pound capacity. And then the other carrier, LTL carrier, is responsible for warehouse to customer shipments, and it's got a 2,000 pound capacity. So these were just the same numbers that were part of the training scenario or project and scenario. And so if you still have those, if you completed the training, then you'll be able to look them up. The zone open restrictions, this is where you set the minimum, maximum number of warehouses that you want to solve for. We just want to open one of these potential warehouse locations, see which one makes the most sense given the other input data. So I'm going to go ahead and press solve, and solve succeeded. So the validation went well, no errors or anything. And we can go down to the solution here and then look at some of the summary reports. Here is the total cost, which you can see is the same as the total transportation cost. So we're just modeling the costs here of moving the goods from plant to warehouse and then warehouse to customer, and using just the transportation costs as the criteria for finding the optimal warehouse location for this network. And we opened just the Abilene, Texas distribution center. All the customers were serviced when we used the Springfield plant, and the Springfield line was the open production line. You can look at specifics for the site product details here. You can look at the demand satisfied, and you can look at the production. And none of it's too exciting here. It's a very, very simple model. And I just wanted to give you this quick tour of our network design solution from the perspective of recreating a model that you may be familiar with if you're a LogicNet Plus user.